Hey class, so this is the part that we're going to be doing. Okay, there's only a few steps that we have to take care of, and we should be able to do this within, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes. We'll try to cut it short. The way that we're gonna get started is by creating a new sketch. Don't forget to save it. Uh, put it inside a folder. You guys should have your folder ready. So what we're going to do is that I'm gonna put a sketch in here. And I'm actually gonna go in here and just grab this center line. Now I'm gonna do this just because I've tried this before and the circles just move around. And this way, I know my circles are gonna be fixed. Okay. So I'm gonna get a circle. I'm gonna put it right on this line. And I'm gonna put the other one right at the center. This one, I'm gonna make it 100. This one, I'm gonna make it 88. And then the distance between them is going to be 63, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 63. Okay, good. Check mark. After this, I'm just gonna get a line and I'm going to connect these two. The program automatically would want to make them tangent. So if you click on the line that you just created and you see this right here, that means that your lines are tangent. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the line again. Start from here to there. And their tangent. Okay. Now we're going to get the trim and we're gonna get rid of all of this in here. We don't need it. Get rid of that, get rid of that, and actually the center line too, since we don't need that as well. Okay. We should get rid of everything. This guy right here, check mark, we are going to extrude it by 19. Okay, so extrusion should be 19. After that, what we're going to do is that we're going to put a circle at the bottom. So I'm gonna go sketch, sketch in there, grab a circle. I like to come over here, highlight, and my center is going to show up right there. And this is going to be 76. Okay, so it will be 76. And this one, I'm going to be extruding it by 30. Let's see, um, let's extrude it by 30. Okay. So now we go back over here and put a sketch right there. And we also put a circle. Again, if I don't see my circle right here, I just come highlight over here. And then this center right there shows up. Now you're not certain if it's that, then you can just do control. Select this one, select that, and make sure it's concentric. There you go. See, it wasn't. Smart dimensions. And this one, I actually want this to be 63.5. Okay. And I want to extrude this by let's extrude it by 49 divided by 2, which is going to be 24.5. Okay. Now, we're essentially done with everything that we wanted. It's just a matter of mirror doing a mirror for this guy right here. So what we're going to do is that we are going to do we're going to use this tool right here, which is mirror face or plane. So I'm gonna select this one. Okay. And I'm gonna do features, and I'm gonna do what I just did. This one, that one, that one. Might not come up because I don't see anything in there. Worst case scenario is that we can just mirror a portion of it and then just add the circle and then go ahead and take care of it. Yeah, so it didn't like it. So we do, we go back to mirror and I'm gonna mirror this about this one right there and features to mirror, and I'm just gonna select this one and that one. It doesn't like that either. Interesting. It will not take the entire thing. Let's try something else. Let me see if I can instead just do bodies to mirror. And I want to mirror about this right here. Okay, so there, it did it. If I went too fast, you can always pause and go back to see what I did. Now, I want to have three of these guys right here. Okay, I want to have three of them. So in order to do that, what I need to do, okay, what I need to do is I need to go to linear pattern and we can choose a direction. I'm going to choose this direction right here and I'm going to do bodies. So I'm going to select right here and I want to select the entire thing. So once I select that, it's going to give me that. Okay. Like I said, I want three and I want them to be at a distance of 147, I think. Let's try it out, 147. Full preview. Okay. Let's see. Yep. There you go. Now, there was something else that I would want to do. I would want to, for this guy right here to be tilted at an angle. But we can always take care of that at some point later on. For now, this is good. Um, yeah, instances to vary. Maybe no, I'm not gonna do that. So we just leave it as that. This is what we're going to be using for our assembly, which is essentially this one right there. Okay. So this is the first part. I will come back and do the engine block itself.